Welcome to Learning Without Scars, and an introduction to our subject-specific classes. In the more than 40 years we have been performing educational programs, we have had over 25,000 students involved around the globe. This has allowed us to be able to create subject-specific classes for each of the job functions for which we have assessments. The only exception is the training of technicians. We leave that up to the specific manufacturers of equipment and the technical schools that provide this training across multiple brands. Our employee development programs follow two paths: workforce development and technical school support. The technical school support classes are structured differently and provide those specialty skills for both the parts business and the service business. These classes are 6.5 hours of lectures and require 13 hours of homework. The workforce development programs are designed for adults in the workforce already. These programs had to recognize that these students have full-time jobs and cannot devote the same amount of time for learning as the students going to technical schools. Each of the workforce development programs spans 5 to 6 hours of learning. We recommend that these classes are taken over the course of a month of time. The workforce development programs have also been extremely useful with guidance counselors at high schools. These assessments are being used by younger people, assisting them in their exploration of potential future careers. With each class program, technical schools or workforce development, we have a pre-test prior to the student taking the class to determine their skills and knowledge on this specific subject before the class begins. Then there is a final assessment once they have completed the class so that we can determine how much they learned. Our work at Learning Without Scars touches upon the various aspects of the capital goods industries, including but not limited to heavy equipment, automotive, material handling, engine, trailers, cranes, marine, mining, forestry, and the many agricultural supply chains. The rapid changes in technology have led to dramatic improvements in components and mechanical systems. These changes in technology have been coupled with extremely dramatic changes in materials used, for instance ceramics and printed parts. And then we move to computerization of components and equipment. We have sensors embedded in equipment that, when connected through telematics, allow performance and working conditions to be measured and managed remotely. These changes have demanded that businesses serving these industries adapt and adjust their methods and processes. At Learning Without Scars, we encourage everyone to strive to understand their personal and professional potential. However, that is a very demanding exercise. Our job is to provide learning products for everyone. This will allow them to realize their potential. Welcome to lifelong learning. Welcome to Learning Without Scars. The time is now.